Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing my first oil change on the Grizzly 90. All right, so we're going to get that going here. But in the meantime, I want to show you some clips of our recent trip out to the farm. And I know you've seen us riding around in the fields, but I also want to show you some of the riding around in the woods that we did. Now, there's only a little bit of woods left because the owner has cut down most of the trees on this property, but about 20 years ago, we all used to ride our Jeeps around on all the trails, and we used to get stuck, and we used to have a lot of fun riding around out there. But there's only a little bit of the trails left, and so the other day, we took my son Ben and my friend's son Braden, and they got to ride the Grizzly, and they were following the Polaris around on these old trails. There's only a small section left, but they got to ride through some creeks and around some logs, and they got to experience a little bit of the trails that we used to do in our basically our daily drivers. But so anyway, check out that footage, and at the end, hopefully we'll get this oil change done.
About to go through the woods on the Polaris and the four-wheeler.
You see what I tried to do?
Yeah, I saw you tried to fling mud on me, but it didn't work.
It did not.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that footage. Got the oil change on the Grizzly all done. Ready for our next trip in a few days.